So apparently there's a secret waterfall hidden here in Columbus, Ohio near Dublin, and now we're gonna check it out. My name is Victor Reyes. I'm a traveling nomad living out of my car, and this is Hayden Falls. So this is actually the first time in a while that I have a day to myself. I have been working non-stop, literally putting 12 to 14-hour days, taking pretty much no breaks at all, just because I wanted to get my money up, right? And man, I just didn't want to crash out. And I'd seen this waterfall on some reels online, and I was like, I definitely got to check this place out, especially since it's like a little hidden gem right here in Columbus. You wouldn't think it, but I mean, there is just like a regular suburban neighborhood, a little river, I guess, behind me that I can't really show, just because there's trees blocking the way. It's just like a little hidden gem. Overall, I just needed to recharge myself and my batteries. I've been in a little bit of a mental funk lately, and I needed to do something to get myself out of it. And what better thing to do than to walk out and enjoy some nature. The waterfall's not that far away and I could hear, but you can see this beautiful little creek that is just flowing from it. This is a bit of a bummer. I wish I would have known about this place a lot sooner. But at least I found it out before I leave Columbus. Check this out. Now that is something beautiful. You never know what you truly have till it's gone, so don't let it go. Fight for what is yours and never let it go. Alright, I didn't see any signs that said I couldn't go over this rail, but I really want to get a closer up shot, and the only way to get over there is to go over that. And nobody's here. Dude. 1 second. Alright, hopefully nobody will say anything. if I wasn't so worried about my shoes getting completely destroyed and muddy, I 100% would go over there. Oh, look at these blocks. I'm guessing that these are kind of like relationship blocks because every single one of them has somebody's name on it. It has like at least 2 people's names. That's really sweet. I've never actually seen anything like these before. This one is a monster. This one's dope. And you saw, okay, that was pretty cool to check out. Some other people started to show up and there really isn't too much to explore. As small as this adventure was, it is important, and I have to keep telling myself this, that I give myself some type of break and at least explore or be out and do something besides just working myself to death. I really have been putting in about 12 to 14 hours of just straight grinding, just because I know I wanted to get my finances in a just in a more ideal position, and I've done that. But you know, it's like coming at a price a little bit, so this has definitely been just a nice little adventure. And that waterfall was actually pretty damn beautiful. Now that I think about it, I actually don't even think I've seen that many waterfalls in my lifetime. Anyways, I'm gonna go about my day now. I just wanted to take y'all along and show you this waterfall. Again, I found it online and thought it'd be really cool to share with everybody. If you are ever traveling and are in Columbus, Ohio, this area is located near Dublin. Just type in Hayden Falls Park and it'll lead you right to it. Real quick before I go. Look at these stairs. Alright guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Please be sure to leave likes, comments, do all the standard YouTube stuff. My name is Victor and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out for now.